travel across the country, but most airlines are waiving change fees for passengers. 7 Action News reporter Amira David is at Metro Airport with what you need to know.
Well, the flight cancellations haven't started just yet, but they absolutely will. So if you've got a flight, airlines are giving you the chance to avoid getting stuck.
I'm glad I'm not going that way. You know, it's a lot nicer being in the Midwest and not have to worry about that.
I'm very relieved that I'm not going that way, and I really feel bad for the people that are going that way.
These travelers thankful to be escaping the soon-to-be delays and cancellations. But not all flyers using Detroit Metro will be so lucky, with hundreds of flights expecting a potential impact by the end of this week. And if you think one of those flights could be yours, here's what you need to know. The Big Four airlines are waiving change fees, but only for a limited time. If you're flying American between now and the 16th, you can rebook, only until the 19th with no fee, and you still may have to pay a recalculated fare. United has a similar policy. As for Delta, it'll waive fees only on flights between the 13th and 16th, while Southwest stretches its window to the 17th and allows rebooking up to 14 days from the original flight date. But as many scurry to stay out of the storm's path, others in the state are choosing to head directly into it. We're learning today that property restoration company Belfor, headquartered in Michigan, is sending in volunteer crews and equipment. Meanwhile, the Michigan Red Cross already has local volunteers on the ground.
We have 40 volunteers and staff assigned or either having already deployed down to North Carolina and South Carolina. We have 16 from the Detroit metropolitan area.
And the Red Cross is still looking for volunteers to step up and help, either to get trained to work in the hurricane zone or to help out virtually here at home. For more information, just head to redcross.org. For now, at Detroit Metro, Amira David, 7 Action News.
Amira, thank you.